where you find women taking absolutely the forefront and lead. I must also say, Anil is not here, but when we spoke with them 5 years ago, I cannot tell you that the only thing we realized at Vedanta, how our vision matches. With participative sport, it gives equal opportunity to everyone. It breaks, it cuts across economic strata, the divide, everyone runs. And imagine, everyone runs for a purpose. So each one of you who's going to run on October the 12th, and for the ones we have a lot who run all 20, right, are heroes for me, because each one has contributed. At Vedanta, I think the one piece that we have picked up is Run for Zero Hunger. Two very flagship projects which through all of you partaking and participating in it is our Dandagar project. And we are also adding this year the Animal Welfare Project, THACO, to this. 5 million meals are being pledged this year to give back to children or to an animal through this marathon. You'll be happy to know 17 million have been done in the last 3 years. We've added the whole portion pack piece where it may not be a meal, but it's a supplement, a nutritious bar, energy bar, as per the guidelines of the UN to give to every child in rural India through Project Dandagar. So that's one very essential part. And can you believe it that while 40,000 people may run, or if not more, on that day, today, 3 weeks ago we launched our app through which people run. So there's a virtual run. Approximately 35,000 of our employees are running virtually, and for every kilometer they run, we will be giving a portion pack. You'll be happy to know we've crossed 1.5 million already. It's a commitment from Vedanta to go forward, but before I leave, I must also say, you must know that what you have contributed, not us. It is the social impact through the runs collectively that ProCam and the people associated and the runners that have done. Today, through the Dandagar project, I want to tell you that the severely, acutely malnourished cases have actually come down from 4.5% to 0.5%. Our preschool attendance through the run that you have done, we are at 65%, while the national average is 39%. There is 100% school readiness. Can you imagine a village, a township where sitting here you have contributed, where every child is school ready, and that's what this country wants. And collectively, we have contributed to these numbers, 96% drop in immunity-related diseases. And I'm giving you these facts as done by KPMG. So thank you everyone for giving us this opportunity, but while there's a movement, while there's a cause, there is a very important piece. Everyone needs to run, everyone needs to run race day virtually, contribute, and this will make us delighted, happy, and Vivek, a promise, a commitment to continue our association and say thank you once again for involving us. Thank you.
Is our association with the lifeline of the city, the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. This collaborative initiative ensures green, smooth, and stress-free travel for thousands of runners. It is my absolute pleasure to invite on stage Director Operations, Delhi Metro Corporation Limited, Dr. Amit Jain.
And the MRC has been collaborating with this event for the last 3-4 years. Some of the initiatives that we are taking with the support of ProCam are like we'll be starting our services at 3:15 a.m. in the morning on all our lines. You need to buy a ticket. Tickets will be printed on your booth. Okay. Thank you. But credit goes to Procam and Vedanta Group because they are sponsoring your ride, not Delhi Metro. But this is a novel initiative that on the bib itself, ticket will be printed. You'll have two QR tickets, one for onward journey, one for return journey. So, and this, you can use it from anywhere to Jawaharlal Nehru and Jampura metro station, and while going back from Jampura and Jawaharlal Nehru station to anywhere in the city. So, and this is first of its kind initiative in the world that your ticket is printed on the bib. And this was done last year also. Last year, 5,100 park runners used this service. We were little disappointed actually with this 5,100 number because around 40,000 people are running. We were expecting at least 20% of them should use metro services. So my request to all of you, please use metro. It's very easy. आपको केवल टिकट लेना भी नहीं है यहाँ तो जैसे विवेक जी ने कहा कि आपको 1 महीना 2 महीना प्रिपरेशन करनी है फॉर रन यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर बट यहाँ आपको टिकट भी ऑलरेडी इट्स प्रिंटेड ऑन द बिब so please use metro services not only when you are coming to for this run but otherwise also for your daily transit needs. Please use metro services. It's very easy. You can take a smart card, you can get our ticket on the WhatsApp. जैसे आप अपने लिए दौड़ते हैं ना अपनी फिटनेस के लिए ऐसे ही मेट्रो यूज है. इट्स लाइक रनिंग फॉर द सिटी की हेल्थ के लिए मेट्रो इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज यूज मेट्रो एंड वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट यू. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Our proud associate sponsor, IDFC First Bank, is driven by a bold vision to build a world-class bank in India. Guided by strong ethics, powered by cutting-edge technology, and committed to being a force for social good, IDFC First Bank puts the customer at the core of everything they do. With social good as a founding pillar, their products and services are designed to create real impact in society. Their association with this race reflects their mission of touching millions of Indian lives in a meaningful way.
Friends, and thank you Procam for calling me here. It's a wonderful opportunity to be here. I think Delhi and this 20 years has got special importance for us. Delhi as a market for us, for IDFC First Bank, is also very important, and we are very proud to be associated with this event. Now, the whole theme of this is about breaking barriers, and in the context of course, everybody's spoken about marathon. People, we all know how people prepare for their own marathon. So I'm not going to talk about it. Everybody knows that they have certain goals. They achieve those goals by consistent planning. All of that is there. But in the context of banking, let me tell you, for us, what is breaking barriers? And for us, our objective, in fact, in this was how do we break barriers of traditional banking? And we are a new age bank, and therefore how do we come up with products and solutions which are in the interest of the customer? And therefore, just to give you an example, we launched something called monthly interest on the savings account. Typically, we've been used to for last 65-70 years of banking in this country. Every time you put a money in the savings account, we are used to for getting interest every quarter. But we said, let's disrupt, let's break that barrier, let's do something which is in the interest of the customer. So every product that we have today, whether it is interest that we give on a monthly basis, or which means what happens is that actually you earn interest on interest on interest. So if you actually have once in 3 months versus once in 1 month, rather monthly interest, you are actually getting more from the bank. So apart from this, we have many products that we've designed which is in the interest of the customer, and therefore this is how we plan to break barriers. So whether it is giving 7% interest rate, which is much higher than what you're getting in the market, or you look at our credit card, which is lifetime free. It's got loaded features, which is like a lounge and all those kind of things, but yet it is free for life. So we want people to come experience us, and then therefore that is how we want to build our customer base. Or if you look at reward points, today many credit cards today have reward points that you earn, and then they expire if you don't use it after, let's say, a certain period, maybe 3 years or whatever. Our reward points are not expiring ever. So these are some of the examples of how we are breaking barriers in the banking industry. Having said that, let us now talk about marathon. I think this 20 years is a significant achievement. So my hearty congratulations to Procam for putting this to this level. And of course, every year the marathon we've seen is it's reaching a higher stature, and that is what really is important for us to be associated with an event like this. And it's really an honor and pleasure to be here. And thank you once again for calling us. And wish you all the very best to all the people who are participating, all the media friends, and thank you for putting this together, Program.
Yes, alive. Join us as we indulge in a world-class hospitality.
Good evening, everybody. It's such a pleasure to see everybody here and, setting the tone for the upcoming marathon again. Yes, we have been partners for the last 20 years, and I think we are beyond proud of this partnership, because for us, it's not an event that we host. We do a lot of events, as you know, being in the hospitality, we sponsor a lot of events. But this is something that we don't consider a sponsorship or a partnership. I think it is our own event, and that's how we look at it. And it is why I say we are so proud is because from year on year, and I know, Vivek, I told you this in the morning too, because it comes right from the bottom of the heart, that it's only become better and happier. And why I say happier, because I'm not looking at the numbers that I think Vivek and the Procam team does, how many people come, but I'm looking at the spirit of the participants is becoming, it's like, it really takes the city by a storm. People are coming out in huge numbers, and not only just because it's something that they have to do, because it's something they want to do, and they come, this whole spirit, the zest of coming there and being with friends and walking this race and raising funds. I think that spirit is only growing bigger, and it's becoming like so evident that people really wait for this event, and that's what makes it happier. So therefore, and being in the hospitality industry, we only judge people by how they react and how they're, what is their reaction, are our guests really happy? That's something we see, and we see this in the marathon year on year. And that's perhaps also that's something that comes from the organizing, the founders, the organizing team, because they are always here. And the moment you see, whether it is Vivek, Anil, Aarti, or anyone coming into the hotel, there is a new spirit. They bring in some positivity, they bring us happiness, and that's why I say we are really beyond proud to be our partners with the marathon. Thank you.
Marathon. We are blessed with some of the best sponsors in the industry, and it's only the efforts put in by the entire team that each year we have a new partner joining the fray. This year, we are thrilled to announce and welcome to the Vedanta family, Red Bull. Known for supporting world-class endurance sports and adventure sports globally, Red Bull's entries brings additional excitement and high-performance energy to the numerous runners on and off the course. The Delhi Half Marathon is all about equal opportunities. It is not just a principle, it is at the core of everything we do. Whether it's dedicated categories like the Senior Citizens Run, or the Champions with Disability Run, the introduction of an all-women pacer squad, or offering equal prize money for all our winners. Each year, we are committed to only getting better. This year, we have added an additional element to this race. As Vivek mentioned, we would like to welcome Sarthi, represented by Richa Bansalia, and I think it's a step towards inclusion. Sarthi has been working in this space for a very long time, and for the first time this year, persons with disabilities will go just beyond participation. They are going to take on key roles during the race day and also at the expo. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Richa and her team. That pillar is Indian athletics. It has been our sincere effort to create opportunities for Indian athletes to compete with the best in the world and at the highest level. Thanks to the fast and flat course of Delhi, both the men's and the women's national half marathon record were created at this event by Avinash Sable and El Surya. This year, we are proud to present one of the strongest Indian lineups ever for the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon. May we please have the AV?
There he is, Gurveer Singh. Gurveer Singh looking good at the moment as he approaches a good lead there. Gurveer Singh, the winner.
Abhishek Paul truly leaving with his name. Abhishek Paul just racing towards the finish. There is Abhishek finishing off the side. A wonderful run by Abhishek.
Lily Das of Uttarakhand with his friend having a lead. He comes across the line to win the 2020 TCS World Championship.
Ladies and gentlemen, representing the best of our Indian and middle distance running, we are honored to welcome two of India's finest athletes. First up, a name that needs no introduction, Abhishek Paul.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका आने के लिए यहाँ पे। थैंक यू। अभिषेक, मैं आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहूँगी। 2023 में जो आपने रेस दौड़ा कार्तिक के साथ, आप दोनों के बीच में एक बहुत ही मजेदार मुकाबला था। ऐसा मैराथन या हाफ मैराथन में बहुत कम देखने मिलता है। ऑलमोस्ट फोटो फिनिश था। तो क्या यादें हैं आपकी उस रेस की?
उस टाइम भी ऐसे ही था कि अच्छा करना है, और इस बार भी उस टाइम कार्तिक ने भी एशियन गेम सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट था, तो थोड़ा और हमें लग रहा था। और गुलबीर भी था उस टाइम, तो गुलबीर ने छोड़ दिया था। इस बार गुलबीर आ रहा है, तो इस टाइम भी ऐसे शायद हो सकता है, बट अभी देखते हैं जैसे भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा, क्योंकि अच्छे भी एथलीट हैं। अभी गुलबीर ने जो कि वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में भी अच्छा किया प्रदर्शन, और 3 नेशनल रिकॉर्ड भी ब्रेक किया है ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में, वो बहुत अच्छी बात है। हमारे लिए भी एक चैलेंज है, और आने वाले टाइम में भी जो एथलीट हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा एक मोटिवेशन है कि मतलब इस लेवल पे जाके करना, और अच्छी बात है ताकि हम लोग भी एक ग्लोबल लेवल पे अपना मेडल लाने की कोशिश करें।
मतलब आपकी तैयारी बहुत ही तगड़ी है इस बार।
हाँ, तैयारी तो अच्छा इस साल हुए थे, तो देखा जाए तो बैक टू बैक अच्छा ही रहा है। अभी शायद इस साल का लास्ट रेस भी रहेगा वेदांता, तो ट्राई करेंगे कि अच्छा ही हो जाए, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ईयर भी बड़े बड़े कॉम्पिटिशन है, उसकी भी तैयारी करना है।
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया अभिषेक। लिली, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आप यहाँ की डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन है और आप इस बार भी आके आपका टाइटल डिफेंड करना चाहेंगी, तो आपने क्या सोचा है रेस के लिए? आपने कुछ कैसी तैयारी की है? क्या आप सोच के आए हैं यहाँ पे कि हमारी ऐसी स्ट्रैटेजी होगी या मैं इस तरह से भागूंगी यहाँ पे?
ऐसे तो मतलब मैं बोलूँगी कि इस बार उतना तैयारी नहीं है मेरी बट मैं फिर भी कोशिश करूँगी मैं विनिंग का, बट उससे ज़्यादा मैं कोशिश करूँगी जो मतलब टाइमिंग, अगर टाइमिंग में अच्छा करूँगी तो क्या पता मैं विनिंग हो भी सकती हूँ। तो मेरा फोकस रहेगा इस बार मेरा टाइमिंग को पिछली बार जो टाइमिंग किया उससे ज़्यादा बेटर होने के लिए।
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be pleased to know at the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon, we have a special event record bonus of 2 lakhs for our Indian athletes and an additional $2,000 for any athlete who finishes a sub-60 time. So अभिषेक, ये सुन के आपको कैसे लग रहा है? आप अविनाश का जो रिकॉर्ड है उस पे आप ध्यान देंगे इस बार?
नहीं, वो तो मैं लास्ट ईयर भी शायद यहाँ बोल गया था, बट मैं पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाया था। जो हमारा एक टारगेट है, ये जो नेशनल रिकॉर्ड है वैसे बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, वैसे अच्छा है, 60+ है। तो हमारा जो टारगेट है अंडर 60 मिनट का है। तो आने वाले टाइम में मैंने शायद 2-3 साल बोला था अभी, क्योंकि 100% फोकस हमारे मैराथन पे नहीं रहता, ट्रैक पे है। तो मैं जिस दिन मैराथन पे पूरा 100% मेरा फोकस रहेगा, मैं सोचूंगा कि मतलब 1 आवर्स के नीचे ब्रेक करने के लिए।
वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। फिर आप ये जीत पाएंगे $2,000।
जैसे कि मुझे वहाँ पे टीचर्स में भी बताया गया था कि आपको 1 लाख बोनस मिलेगा, तो वहाँ पे भी मैंने शायद नेशनल रिकॉर्ड ही ब्रेक किया था।
लिली, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, इस बार आपकी वुमेन्स फील्ड में संजीवनी जाधव है जो यहाँ पे 2 बार जीत चुकी है, और एक अंकिता ध्यानी है जो कि अभी वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स में compete करके आई हैं। तो आपको कैसा लगता है ये फील्ड के साथ भागने में? आपको मजा आएगा? आप कुछ एक्स्ट्रा केयर करेंगी या आप उनके साथ भागेंगी, एक साथ करेंगे आप?
हाँ, वैसे कि पिछले बार उतना फाइट नहीं थी इसलिए उतना अच्छा टाइमिंग भी नहीं हुआ, बट इस बार जो संजीवनी जाधव अंकिता रहनी जो है उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा कंपटीशन होंगे, तो मजा आएंगे आपकी बार।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। अभिषेक, मैं आपसे आखिरी सवाल पूछूंगी। इस बार जैसे आपने बोला गुलबीर भाग रहे हैं आपके साथ, तो क्या लगता है गुलबीर इस बार तो बहुत ही अच्छा फॉर्म में है, उन्होंने एशियन रिकॉर्ड्स किए हैं, नेशनल रिकॉर्ड मल्टीपल है उनके पास अभी, तो आपका मुकाबला उनके साथ कैसे होगा और आप क्या एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट डालेंगे ताकि आप उससे आगे जाए?
तो हमारा तो कंपटीशन वैसे भी चलता रहता था। तो लास्ट ईयर मतलब मुझे एशियन ओलंपिक से पहले इंजरी हो गया था, तो उसके लिए मेरा परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा डाउन हो गया था। वैसे मैं साथ में ही कंपटीशन 2022 से कर रहा हूँ, तो लास्ट मोमेंट तक पता नहीं रहता कि कौन फर्स्ट होगा और कौन सेकंड होगा। जब रिजल्ट आता है तभी डिसीजन होता है कि कौन फर्स्ट है और कौन सेकंड है।
तो मतलब इस बार भी फोटो फिनिश है?
हाँ, इस बार
हाँ, तो हम तैयारी वैसे ही करेंगे। A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for both our athletes. बहुत thank you और all the best for Sunday 12th October.
थैंक यू मैम।